All right, today we're going to go over to the solution to the bell work problems from Friday, October 2nd. So there are two problems here. We are only going to do number one. So number one says give the coordinates of the points after a reflection across the x-axis. So now instead of talking about a translation where we're sliding things, we're talking about a reflection where we are flipping an image. So the rule for reflecting, I need to move this down a little bit. The rule for reflecting over the x-axis says that you take your original ordered pair, x, y, and when you are going to reflect across the x-axis, the x-coordinate stays the same. So we're not doing anything to change the x-coordinate. And then the y-coordinate, when you reflect over that x-axis, the y-coordinate becomes the opposite. So if your y was originally positive, it's going to become negative. If your y-coordinate was originally negative and then you reflect over the x-axis, that y-coordinate will become positive. So there is no change in the x-coordinate, and then you take the opposite of the y-coordinate. So here, if our original point A is located at 3, 4, we're going to use this rule to reflect it across the x-axis. There's no change to the x-coordinate, so our new x-coordinate of point A prime is just going to be 3. And then we take the opposite of the y-coordinate. So our ordered pair for point A prime is 3, negative 4. Now we're going to do the same thing for points B and C. So point B, to find the coordinates of B prime, to find the new x-coordinate, we are not going to do anything to the x. There's no change. So the x-coordinate of B prime is negative 1. Then we're going to take the opposite of the y-coordinate. So the new coordinates of point B prime are negative 1, negative 3. Point C, its original location is at negative 3, 0. Now to find C prime, we're going to follow our rule for reflecting across the x-axis. So the x-coordinate is going to stay the same. So the x-coordinate of C prime is negative 3. The y-coordinate, now it says to take the opposite. Is there a negative 0? No, so it's just 0. So here, the coordinates of C prime are negative 3, 0, and we have successfully used this rule to reflect these 3 points across the x-axis.